and welcome back to another video. I'm aware that I'm going to be steamed up because I've just walked out the hotel room. The current time is 7:53. It's 25 degrees already. The high temperature is going to be 33. Today we're heading off to Epcot as we're going to do the World Showcase area and go all around the world. We had a great night last night watching Luminous and at the Whispering Canyon, and hopefully we're going to have a great day today as well. So join us as we go to Epcot. So we have arrived in Epcot. Lovely sunny day. There's Grandma.
Hello, viewers.
Yes, so we've arrived in Epcot. We don't know what we're rope dropping. But I think we're going to try and get a lightning lane for Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. So we are now going on to Soaring. The queue is not very long. I think it's going to be exactly a walk on.
Soon you will be airborne. So if you or your little aviators have a fear of flying or of heights,
we have just ridden Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind, and it is still, in my opinion, the best ride on Disney property. I haven't seen the shops, so I'm just going to have a look in there. It's all the different, it's the song, it's the movement, it's the spin vehicles. Everything about that ride is awesome. The shop's not too big. I'm not an Avengers fan personally. But yeah, there's Spider-Man stuff that you can buy. So we're now going to head around World Showcase and do the passport, which I think will be really fun as we haven't done that bit yet. So we've just picked up our passports there. We've both got one of these, and we fill it out as we go around the country, so I'll show you when we do that. It's a lovely day in Epcot. It's 29 degrees currently, and we've walked 6,000 steps, and it's 10 o'clock. We're going to head around the world now, and we'll take you around with us. And there's a squirrel just behind me, but it's just run away. So the showcase in here is Mexico, obviously, and with Coco and stuff. So we're just about to go on a 3 Caballeros tour. I've never been on this before, so this is interesting. Been on that ride before, and I said to Mummy, I described it as a Temu version of It's a Small World. We're now going to head back around the world, but I'll show you the passport at the end when we've got it all signed. So we've done our Norway one. We're now going to go and look at the pretzel shop apparently. With me and Oscar sing a song about pretzels, and apparently Mummy wants us to sing it with the pretzels. We are now in China. We're going to get our passport signed now. So we're now in Italy, in Epcot, not real Italy. I was born in Italy, born in Rome. This Trevi fountain is behind us, well, in front of me rather. It's just there, so you may be able to, I can't see my back screen, here we go. But yeah, we're still heading around the world, Grandma's up there. Getting the passport signed as we go. We're now walking over to America, and I've had my picture taken by Epcot over there.
well, there's Hook.
It's very hot.
There's Hook.
It's
Donkey.
32 degrees. We're now in America, and we're about to get our passport signed. We're now walking into Japan, and we'll obviously get the passport signs in Japan. It's currently 12:20. I'll hold my camera at the same time. Currently 12:20, and we're doing 9,000 steps so far. Yeah, 12:20, 9,000 steps. So we are finishing at France. We're going to do the rest another day because we're walking over to Boardwalk now to go and get some food. So I'll take you along with us. So we've arrived at Disney's Boardwalk. We're going to go to the cake shop. I can't remember what it's called.
Might have pizza here, eh?
But we looked at staying here, but didn't fancy it this time. Because they were doing it up and Grandma came, so we know that Saratoga Springs was a good choice. So we are in, it's called Cake Bake Shop. I'm not going to have anything, so I'm not very hungry. However, look how pretty it is in here. I'll show you around. Merchandise, more merch, more merch. But it's so pretty in here and how it's all designed and done. Yeah, really nice, really nice. We enjoyed our time at Epcot today, and we're now going to head back to Saratoga Springs for a bit of a rest this afternoon. And then we're going to Chef Mickey's this evening for breakfast. And I don't know what we're doing after that, so we'll play it as we goes. Play it as it goes. But it's been a really nice day in Epcot, and we got loads done. It's now 5:47, and we are just waiting. Thunder. We're just waiting for an Uber to take us to the Contemporary because we're having dinner at Chef Mickey's. We'll obviously take you along with us, and if you haven't already after this video, go and watch all of the videos, but especially the first one because we show breakfast at Chef Mickey's, so you can see the comparison between breakfast and dinner. Then after that, we're going to Hollywood Studios to go and watch Fantasmic. It's going to be a good evening. Obviously, you're already watching the vlog. But join us to come along to Chef Mickey's with us. So we've arrived at the Contemporary. Is everybody excited, Mummy?
Very excited.
Oscar?
Yep.
So Daddy?
Yes!
Oh, God. Come on. This is my first plate. I've got some macaroni cheese, some nuggets, some pizza, and some cornbread. So I'm going to tuck into that now. I had my main, and this is now my dessert. I couldn't split the bottom three apart, so I will share those. And then I've got a cookie and a cupcake on top. Oscar, are you enjoying the dinner here?
Yeah, I like the pizza. And my favourite chef here is Minnie because she made the macaroni.
Yes. So we're going to enjoy this now. We enjoyed our meal at Chef Mickey's. And I really enjoyed it. Personally, I prefer breakfast, but I still think the dinner was very good. Now, at current, it's raining, so we're just having a seat on the sofas here at Contemporary on the second level. And then we were supposed to be heading off to Fantasmic. However, we don't know if weather will permit for that. So we'll play it by ear and see what happens. We are going to call off Fantasmic for tonight. It's already 8:21. It takes 20 minutes to get, so it would be an incredibly big rush. And it's still raining and thundering and lightning everywhere. Tomorrow, however, we have a very late night as we are going to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party in the evening, which I want to say is open until 1 AM in the morning, or 12 maybe. So that's going to be a late night. So I think it's a blessing in disguise that we can't go to Fantasmic tonight. Anyways, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, which is going to be, we're starting our day with the character breakfast at the Riviera. So please like, subscribe. When you subscribe, turn the notification bell on, so when we upload a new video, you can be one of the first to watch it when it comes into your feed. Bye everybody!